Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Bilibili in 2025. So you have to open your preferred browser and go to the URL section and type bilibili.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you into their website right away. You might get confused because the website will basically be in Chinese, but you don't have to worry. What you'll have to do is simply go and click on this blue option, as you can see at the top right. And once you basically click on it, you will find yourself in this option here. So you can go, as an example, I don't know why this QR code doesn't show, but normally you can go and scan a QR code using your Bilibili application if you're using it on your phone. Of course, the phone options will be kind of the same. Once you just open the phone, you will find the sign up option right in front of you. The web option, which will be a little bit, an example, annoying, especially it is in Chinese. You'll be able to change the language later, of course. So here's an example. You'll have two options. The first option will be selected per default, which is the password login. And this option, it's going to be the SMS login, which you will have, of course, to use your phone. So it's totally up to you to do whatever you want. Of course, here you'll find a register option, which you will have first of all to register. As you can see, the blue icon or the blue option. So let me just go and click on that again. Is login, and the white option is simply register. So if you want to register, as an example, you'll have to register using your phone, not just password. So you'll have to go and enter here your phone number, then your password, and you'll have to go and click on register. Once you do so, you should be successfully signing up into Bilibili websites without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.